What is small business manufacturing software? Small business manufacturing software optimizes the major requirements of the manufacturing process by automating phases of production, enabling supply chain management, and storing customer data and interactions. Common features of small business manufacturing software include Material Requirements Planning, or MRP, to automate the initial phases of the production process by tracking and organizing production materials, monitoring the flow of labor and equipment, and processing advanced shipment notifications from suppliers. Supply Chain Management, or SCM, automates supply chain control with alerts to notify manufacturing managers about delays and backlogs. Manufacturing Accounting manages all financial transactions within a small business operation, including inventory, payroll, and accounts receivable. A Manufacturing Execution System, or MES, shows shop floor operations in real time to assist decision-making regarding production and labor, equipment utilization, and scrap reporting. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.